So this video is going to be a little bit different than my usual style, and today I'm going to take you to the coast again. We're going to Bandon. So I'm going to show you what this trip looks like, going from Prospect to Bandon, Oregon. The trip to the coast is not anything without a Phil Frosty ice cream. Along the way I found the Milo Academy Bridge, and I thought it was really cool to show some of these covered bridges in Oregon too. They're pretty interesting, and they're old. They go back I think about 100 years, but they're a classic design for Oregon. And this is the Milo Academy Bridge. So this style of bridge, I don't know where it came from or what the purpose was. I'll have to do a little bit more research, but they're very classic design for Oregon. I've seen some in California, but most of them I've seen here in Oregon, and they're really cool. Like I said, I don't know where the idea came from. So here just past the town of Remote, there's a rest stop. And here you can find the Sandy Creek Bridge. And this one was built 100 years ago in 1921. And it's another perfect example of the architecture and the style of the covered bridges here in Oregon. There's quite a few, and I know there's books and photography is very popular. I still don't know why they are covered bridges, but this style and everything is just very interesting. I just wanted to show you this bridge, and we're gonna keep going. We're a little bit more than halfway, so we're almost at the coast. I'm rocking the Jeep hairdo, windblown, burnt, sunburnt, and a rat's nest right now in my head. But it's summertime, so the top has to come down. So as you can see, I made it to the coast. It's cold and windy. It was 100 degrees when I left Prospect, and it's about 60 here in Bandon. In this video, I wanted to show you a little bit about that trip from Prospect to Bandon. And I'm in Bandon for a very specific reason, and I'm glad I came. I get to meet great people. It's an amazing place to be. The beach is beautiful. It's wonderful. The energy here is amazing. I got to take more pictures for circles in the sand, and the whole experience has just been fantastic. I actually came here because one of my viewers, somebody that watches my channel, has seen almost all my videos, asked me if I was going to be in Bandon because she wanted me to take her and her husband pictures for their anniversary and also for his birthday. And I was only 3 hours away, maybe 4 hours away, so I decided to make the trip because that's special to me. I really do appreciate that. I like when I'm recognized, when people like what I do, and that felt really, really good for someone that watches my videos to contact me and see if I could do something like that. And I wish I could do something like that for everybody. There's every comment I get, all these people that motivate me, that make me feel good, all the likes I get. Like, I really, really do appreciate everybody, and I wish I could do something for everyone. This time I made a trip specially to see this couple, and I'm glad I did. They're great people. I think they had a great time. I had them walk circles in the sand also. Got some pictures of them there. I'm gonna share a couple of pictures here at the end. Even though the weather doesn't cooperate, I think the fog adds a different mood to the scene, and I kind of like it just because it's a little bit different. It's not your traditional portraits. Here at the coast, you can't plan for the weather, but I think the pictures came out great. So I'm gonna show you a couple of these pictures. And I think that's it. Like I said, this was a very short trip. I just wanted to come over and take these pictures for this couple, and I'm glad I did. But I'm gonna leave you here. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the like button. Please subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time. Bye.